What's up, guys? So I decided to add another little one to the fleet. A lot of people already have this, but I figured I would still do another little unboxing with it. I got the SCX24, the Betty B-17. It's supposed to be a little bit different. Special edition. It comes with some cool little coin, I guess. So let's open this bad boy up. Limited edition there. Here's the coin I guess it's supposed to come with. It's ready to roll. It's got the cool little garage in there. Pretty cool. Tires look a little beefier. Wheels have some cool little color on them. A little more graphics on this than the others. And of course comes with batteries, Allen wrench, extra arms, drive shaft, and there's that special coin. So let's cut this bad boy out of here. It is. So everything's pretty much the same as my deadbolt, just a little special body, even though you can order the body separate. I actually ordered one to do a little Valentine's project with, and be upgrading a couple little things on this. I'll probably go a little more wild on my deadbolt and then have this one be a little more medium. Keep the frame the same and stuff, because it does have the special edition number in there. So there's 9,999 being made. This is number, what does it say, 1660? There we go, 1660. It's pretty cool. Suspension might be a little bit different in this, I'm not sure though. Other than that, it's pretty cool. I like it. So it mounts in the back there. A little different than the other one. So stay tuned, be doing a little video in action later and slapping some parts on it. I almost forgot about the special coin. Let's check this thing out. Ooh. So we got 15 years, AXIAL Racing, excellence year after year. And we got their logo, SCX24 B-17 Betty, limited edition. So it's pretty cool. I like that. Let's see if we can get a little photo for main picture here.